1, 2, 3, action.
Isn't it hot today?
Yes, it is.
I hope there's a solution for this. Don't you agree, Akma?
This one can handle the hotness and
Don't you agree, Shwada? Oh my god, she's sweating so hot already. Oh my god, Akma, no!
I heard your problem, and I have a solution for you. Just follow me.
What kind of solution? Hurry up! Our product name is Sustainable Cryo. You might probably wondering what is cryo? Well, cryo symbolizes ice. The question is, does heat affect students' social and emotional well-being?
Yes, it does. The saying, I can't think straight, it's too hot, is backed by science. Heat can make people more impulsive and less able to regulate their behavior. Educators say students can be unmotivated and distracted when sitting in a hot classroom.
And with that, we came up with an idea which is Sustainable Cryo to help students to study in a comfortable way. So, this is the sketch of our product from top view, isometric view, frontal view, and side view.
For the base, we're going to use boxes that have been used. Each layer of boxes is doubled to strengthen the walls. And then make a small drawer at the bottom of the box to put in ice, and we're going to wrap the inside of the drawer with aluminium foil and put bottles that will be cut like this to prevent the box from getting wet. And then make tunnels at the back and front of the box to get air out evenly. And make 2 small fans with thin blades. Furthermore, using solar panels to produce energy naturally from sunlight. And lastly, using wires to conduct electric current to the motor, which functions to rotate the fan blades.
You might think that our product can easily be found in markets, but there is one thing that makes our product unique, which is 2 people can use it at the same time.
Me first!
And no need to argue on who use it first and who use it next, like these 2 behind me.
So here's the list of the materials that are going to be used for our product. The materials may seem a lot, but they only cost us 12 ringgit because majority of the material can be found at home.